What's going on, everyone? Today's the 12th of January 2024. I'm going to talk about Bitcoin mining stocks. Yeah, look what CNBC wrote in the title. Bitcoin mining stocks tumble after the cryptocurrency briefly touches $49,000. Riot Platforms is one of those mining stocks. Investors took profits after the price of Bitcoin briefly spiked above $49,000 for the first time since December 2021. Yeah, people taking profit in Riot. I mean, when you look at the chart, boom, right there. Look at the run that Riot was on. So rightfully so. Let's go on to see what this article talks about. Miner revenue has fallen in recent weeks as Bitcoin transaction fees eased, according to data from CryptoQuant. The two biggest mining stocks, Marathon Digital and Riot Platforms, lost 12 and 15%, respectively. This article was produced on January the 11th on yesterday. Miners were some of the biggest gainers in the stock market 2023. Riot rose more than 350%. Of course, you'd be crazy not to take profit when you have seen your investment go up 350%. Don't be like these other people who tell you to hold on to the stock for the next 60 years. You've already won 350%. Why not take something off and put it up? Miner revenue has also fallen in recent weeks as Bitcoin transaction fees eased, according to data from CryptoQuant. Fees were extremely high for most of December due to high transaction activity on the network, but have since cooled, which affects the mining company's revenue. CryptoQuant's Julio Moreno explained. Some investors may also be positioning for the upcoming Bitcoin halving, when the mining reward for mining Bitcoin and mining companies' revenue will be cut in half. So when your revenue gets cut in half, what's going to happen to the stock price? Yeah, it's going to go down. So pretty much, we're going to do another price prediction for Riot Platforms. We did one already, and as you can tell, it did not go according to what we thought it was. And it will happen. We wasn't that bullish, but the fact that, let me zoom in so you can see it, the fact that we didn't see Riot come up here to this first sell zone that we anticipated that it would do also gives us a clue of how weak the stock currently is. So we got that, and then maybe a day or the same day as when we did our video, look at that. The market in Riot gave us a weakness indicator off of the daily time frame. These are things we need to pay attention to. And then the market slowly held consolidation, but then we got another massive move down in Riot, 15, almost 16%. So yeah, the environment has changed in Riot. There's more people willing to take profit than there are people willing to buy and hold right now. So we need to get rid of this price prediction. It didn't work out. 9.72, maybe the same day or the day after we did our price prediction. If it were to get on the close on yesterday, it's 25%. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of this trend line because price in Riot is no longer trending that way, that direction. If anything, it's going to be trending down. We're going to create this sell zone now, right here. Okay. We need to look over here now to determine where are the buyers. So let's break this down on the 330-minute chart. Do you see any indications to where buyers could be? I think there's one here for Riot. So we're going to create that as a buy zone. And then I see one here in Riot as well. So yeah, we'll do that, see what we come up with over the next couple of trading days in Riot. Let me bring this back over to the daily time frame. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and put this on the chart first. And hold on. Let me look at this on a different time frame. Here it is on the 2. Again, that's a lot of weakness there on the 2-day chart. The volume also is impactful. You guys can see it stands out at you. It's a lot higher than what we've been accustomed to in Riot since, oh wow, we got to go all the way back. We haven't seen this much volume in Riot till maybe back in 2021 when it's traded around $70-$80. So that's a lot of volume within the last 2 days in Riot. Look, this on the 3. Again, still looks weak. Riot on the 5. Again, still looks weak. Here it is on the weekly time frame. Again, still looks weak. It's very rare for you to see a fake and a puts a go down bar on a longer term chart. I'm just saying. So for us to have this, we could see the market in Riot go a lot lower than what we're anticipating. Okay, just throwing it out there. So let me put this back on the daily chart and let's look at this to go down. First target is either at the high of this buy zone or the low or in between. Okay, so that would be around 18.18%. Second target will be at the second buy zone, 28.88%. Okay, extend this over and let's bring this up. Very wide range that we can see the price action in Riot. But given the longer term charts of how we're still seeing a lot of weakness, I definitely feel as if that the market's going to continue to drift down, to continue to go lower. So I think I'm done. What about you? What do you think the price in Riot is about to do now? And we'll see which one is right. Give me your thoughts. It'd be a good thing for us to see the price in Riot hold $9 though. I definitely want to see that as we anticipate this particular stock continue to go down. Just want to throw that out there, but that's yet to be determined. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.